Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to Osego Codes. It's Omolo Cliff Oganda, and as I mentioned, today I'm starting a series of 30 days of YouTube, which means I will try to post a YouTube video daily for the next 30 days. So I'll be doing short videos, at most 3 minutes or let's say 10 minutes per video. So today I want us to start with JIT. I want to show you how you can set up JIT locally and globally on your machine. Remember to use JIT or to push to a repo or collaborate. You must have your JIT credentials set up correctly locally on your machine for you to be able to push to an upstream repo. So let me just share with you how that is done. So I've opened my terminal, and remember, to set JIT globally means like you setting the credentials that will be used in each repo where you initialize JIT. So let me show you. So let's first confirm if you have JIT installed. JIT. Sure. So we have JIT version 2.40.1. So to check if you have JIT configured correctly, you'll do JIT config global list, and then it will tell you your username is Cliff Osego, user email Cliff Osego, and this is the size of files that you can push to a remote repo. So to set JIT globally, let me show you that it's done. So you'll do JIT config global. Then I want to change user.name to something like Omolo Cliff Oganda, and that's it. So when you confirm again JIT config global list, you see we have user.name is Omolo Cliff Oganda. If I want to change, let's say, the user email, I'll just do JIT config global user.email, then something like Cliff Oganda at outlook.com. If we check again the global configuration, what do we have? So it is now Omolo Cliff Oganda, and my email is cliffoganda at outlook.com. Contrast to my initial configuration, which had my username to my email and my user email to cliffosego at gmail.com. So that's it for the global configuration. And there comes at times where you just want to use some temporary credentials, let's say on a project you're working on or helping a friend debug. So in that case, we'll do some simple steps here to show you how to configure JIT locally. Okay, so what we'll do, let's navigate to desktop and make a directory. Let's call it JIT. So we have JIT, let's see, ls. So we have JIT here. So just clear up, then cd into JIT. So to configure JIT locally inside the JIT folder, what we will do, JIT config local user.name to something like John Doe. Okay, we have an error. Local can only be used inside a JIT repository. So let's first initialize JIT here. JIT init. Fantastic. So just what we were doing. So we have JIT config local user.name John Doe, and we can also do for the email JIT config local user.email to John Doe at email.com. So let's check the configuration for that local JIT repository. So it will be JIT, it will be JIT config local list. So you see what we have, username is John Doe, and my user email is john.email.com. But locally, if you want to confirm locally, globally, you can just come back here and let's just navigate to home. Okay, cd home, Yeah, then you can confirm git config global list. Yeah, you see the difference. This is the global configuration, and what we have here is the local configuration. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. Osego Codes signing out.